Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare. You are generally eligible for Medicare when you turn 65. Your initial enrollment period begins 3 months before your 65th birthday, includes your birthday month, and extends 3 months after. It is best to apply during the first 3 months to ensure your coverage starts on time. This helps avoid any gaps in your health insurance. There are several convenient ways to apply for Medicare. The easiest method for many is to apply online through the Social Security Administration's website. You can also call Social Security directly to complete your application over the phone. If you prefer a face-to-face interaction, you can visit your local Social Security office. Choose the method that best suits your comfort and convenience. When applying for Medicare, you will need a few key pieces of information. Your Social Security number is essential for the application process. You will also need to provide proof of your age, such as a birth certificate or other valid document. Additionally, have details about any current employer-sponsored health insurance you may have. This ensures a smooth and accurate application submission. Remember to enroll during your initial enrollment period to avoid potential late enrollment penalties, which can increase your premiums. Also, consider exploring additional coverage options like Medicare Advantage plans or Medigap policies to supplement your original Medicare. These can offer more comprehensive benefits or help with out-of-pocket costs. For more valuable insights, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.